collectors. It's Michelle again from Creative Mayhem. I have another diamond painting. Yes, I might be addicted. It's true. We just have a moment. This one is from Aliexpress. This is the first one I've gotten off of Aliexpress. The rest of mine have been from Amazon. And so I'm kind of excited to see what the quality is like and see if it's a bit different or if it's still from the same type of companies, just some have already shipped them to the US. I'm not sure how that goes, but I'm pretty excited about this. This is from the Sophie Beauty official store. And I will say that again, and I'll hold up the card to you once I open these up. But these are going to be really, really cute. I'm pretty excited about this, so let's get started here. I did upgrade my scissors, so that's a good thing. I don't like getting in here without being able to see. I just got home from work. I was happy to see some other packages today. Ooh, I'm glad I took my time. Okay, so this is around a foam core roll. Oh, this is the little girl. Hopefully you can see this. I'm going to hold it up. Look at that. It's a little girl holding flowers. Oh, she's so cute. 30 by 40. Oh, I think that'll be sweet. My cutie. So here's yep, that's the one for this one. We got the drills for that one, and look at those soft colors. You know, I'm a pastel girl. I love those pastel colors. And it must just be me, ladies. Look at that. These tweezers, they're having a fight in there. That's the second one. Maybe that's common. I'm not sure. Those look to be just like the plastic tweezers. And then we have a boat with a cutout, but this one's a white one, and a little wax square, and then a single drill placer with nothing on the other end. So there's nothing else in the bag. So let's take a look at this. This one has quite a bit of tape around it that's coming off fairly easy, so that's good. Put that over here. The paper seems a little bit thicker. Oh, yep, there's the other one. I'll do that after this one. So I think I'll roll it like I did before. I saw Ella do it. And these are supposed to be 30 by 40. So let's see what we have here. I'm going to open it up first. Hopefully I won't rip it. And get it to lay down. Get that roll out of there, and then I'll open it up for you. There we go. So look at that. I'm liking what I see. Even at this size, which, you know, I'm kind of new at this, so I'm trying to figure out the sizes and what I like. There are some rolls and some, you know, a little bit of wrinkling. I think I watched a couple of videos where they showed how to iron it, so I definitely think I'm going to do that with this canvas, because I'm going to be too impatient to have to sit there and put some heavy books or something on, and I might just be too impatient for that. Let me show you the little thumbnail first. Let me get it up here. Isn't that pretty? I just love all the soft colors. And then here's the symbols. Everything looks to be fairly clear. Yeah, there's some weird symbols in here, but they look to be like very, very clear. So I don't think I'm going to have any problems. You can see the black and so forth. Let me see. How many colors are in here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 8, 30, looks to be 34 colors. I think I'm going to open it up from the top. Let you see it. See how pretty? Oh, 1 second. My cat wants in. It's so cold outside. I can't leave him out there. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so here is the drill field. Let's see if you can see that without any glare. So that looks really clear. Looks good. Let's see if you can. I think she's going to turn out really good. Look at her little flowers and oh, from behind. I just love that. I love the soft colors. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to open up the drill. And if you want to fast forward again, go ahead and fast forward, but I'm going to do the inventory. Here's the sheet. We have 34 colors. I guess I could have looked on there first, but here's the thumbnail again. Let's see if that'll focus. 34 colors. That's great. So there's quite a bit of 152, 644, 644s, 3033. Yeah, 3072. Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's see. Go through these colors. This is my favorite part. I know it's crazy, right? Just to organize things, but to check out all of the neat colors. Oh, we have a stray. So, let's see, we have 3859. We have 3. And this has not been checked, except for this one here, this red one. So I don't know what that's about, but I don't have any marks on anything else. So hopefully we won't have any issues with that. So 3859, got those. And they're all attached, so that's nice. And this is a square. The drills look pretty good. I already started one of my first squares. So I'm kind of on the fence. I think I like the rounds, but you know, I'm new, so I might change my mind. But these look pretty good. So 648. We have 2. This one is in the baggie. This is 3857, so it's a little bit different. I do see some that look a little different size, but you know, I won't know till I get in them. But they're not oily. I'm sorry, wasn't in the frame there. So 3857, we have 1. 828, 1. 613, I should have, let's see. But I'm just going to put that aside in case one shows up. 3033, we should have 11. Yep, we have 11. Those all look pretty good. 644. We have 9 of 644, and it said we should have 8. So I'm going to do a +1. 3770. We should have 4, which we do. 3770. Oh, look at this cute color. 3713. That is like a perfect pink. Look at that beautiful, perfect pink. It's like a cotton candy pink. 3713 is 3. 928, 3. 326, 1. another one in the baggie, $4.98. That's a pretty red color. Really rich red. Now that said we should have 2 bags. And I'm wondering if there's double the amount in here. Again, I'm so new at this, I don't know. I will put that up here. Now this is really hard to read. It's the 3 tons, and I could tell, but they've got the black with the black, so. But that's okay. I know what it is, and I can read it, so it's all good. Okay, 961. We should have 1. 951. We have 1. 223. We should have 3. Look at that color. Oh, there's a bunch of them that got squished in there. So the packaging is, I mean, I'll be honest, it's kind of sloppy from what I've seen from Amazon. Looks to be like there's some that are crushed in there. As I'm looking at the drills, I know that it's kind of hard being in the package, but I do see some trash, and it could be from those broken pieces that got pressed into the seam there. 223. Okay, where is that one? 647. That's a pretty like mint color. It's coming up brighter, I think, because of my lights on the camera. It's a little bit more pastel. 647. We should have 3. 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 8 of 3072. Yep. This is a really light mint. 3756. We should have 3. This is a brown. 3863. We should have 2. Ooh, this is pretty, like a winey brown color. 779. 2. Okay, 3866. We should have 5. Yes. 3865 is 4. 712. We should have 6. Yeah. 3092. There's a burgundy. 221. 2. We have, I think that red one, which might be this color. We have some escapees. This is 666, which is 1. Well, okay, 152, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, 152. 151 is 2. We have that. 3774 should be 3. Yes. 3832 should be 2. And then 902 should be 4. That is a very pretty wine color. Wow, look at that. 902. Okay. Or, let's see. 3685. There we go. 1. And 3726. We have 5. Yes. Okay, so 613. I'm short 1. 498. That's the one they had the red check mark on, and it's a different size bag, so I'm wondering if this is equal to 2. I'm going to put a star beside it because I'm not sure. And going down through here then, it looks like I'm supposed to have 11 bags of 3033. And unless I missed it and didn't mark it, I do see 3083 here. Oh wait, that's 3033. So what was the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? Yep, that's 11. I must have just missed it. Okay. Must have just missed it. And you guys probably saw that and said, hey! So it looks like I am short 1 bag. I have an extra of another. I will look at my inventory and see if I have extras of that, but it may not be an issue because I do think they give you extra. Because from what I've seen, and again, I'm not very good at this, but it says I should have 310 and I should have 2 bags. So if there is 200 in each of these, which correct me if I'm wrong, please put it down in the comments, then this would mean 400 and I should have 310, so that should be plenty. But I can't quite remember how many I'm supposed to have in each bag. But I think it's all good. You know, this color, I do have a lot of those pastel colors. So I may have something that I can use and in between the rest of these that I'll unbox. They're all kind of similar, similar colors. So we'll see. We'll see about that. I'm still happy. I really, really like this. I think she's so cute. She's just adorable. And I will give you the details on that one. That is the Flower Girl is what I'm calling her. And so she, I got her off of the, let's see, Sophie Beauty store. Sophie Beauty official store. And I ordered 2 on that day, which was January 14th, and I received it January 26th. So that was pretty good. I was impressed with that. She is here's the card if you want to take a screenshot. She's a 30 by 40. There were 2 paintings in that group, but I paid for her. I paid the $11.17. And then there was another painting, which I'll do on this other video. Don't know if I'll attach it to this video or if I will do another one. But she's a 30 by 40. So the total with both of the diamond paintings, which I'll just go ahead and show you this one, was $20.87, and I had a $3 Aliexpress coupon. I believe it was a $2 Aliexpress selected and a dollar store coupon, but it added up to the 3. So for the 2 diamond paintings, I paid $17.87, which I think that was a really, really good deal. That was during their winter sale. And we have some good news about my daughter. I have a little life update here to tell you. I'm so proud of her. We got the news this past weekend that she has been accepted to Ohio Northern University. She's going to be a polar bear. So we're excited about that. And the cool thing is her high school is orange and black. And yes, the polar bears are orange and black. So when she saw that, she's like, I just can't get away from it. So she will be starting in the fall. Very, very proud of her. And I will try to adjust my lighting in the next video. I kind of came around this side of the table. But I think with the light coming in the window, I was better off on the other side. But that's where that creaking floor is. You know, this one. And thank you guys so much for your lovely comments. I just can't tell you how happy it makes me feel to know that you're watching the videos and you like them. Gotten a lot of really great feedback. So if you like this video, you want to see some more diamond painting unboxing, thumbs up if you like it, and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. See you later. Bye.